Hi there, thank you for joining Salon. So I just want to show you how you can get started with Salon. Salon is a content-centric learning management system. It does fill in a need that course management systems don't fill in. But you can use Salon with the course management systems or learning management systems. And the basic idea is that you would get your students to interact directly with the content, and Salon does all the magic to look at the content in multiple different ways. So the first step in getting started is to create a salon. So I'm just going to click here and go and create a salon. Just give it a name, your salon, my salon. You can always change it, give it some description. You can keep it public or private. Public salons, students can join without your approval. Private salons, you have to approve it. For the most part, salons are discussion salons. So you want to keep it like discussion salons, but for some people, you may want to think about comprehension salon. You can watch videos about that in another session. If your students have salon accounts, you can invite them to join, or you can search for a salon. So in this case, I'm just going to create my salon called Your Salon. So as soon as you create, you're going to be taken into your own private salon page. And this is where your students are going to interact with your content and access your content. So there are multiple things in here that you can use. This allows you to define documents and videos that the students should work on right now. This allows you to define smaller networks. Each individual can define their own network so that they can work with a smaller group of people. This shows the recent activities in the salon. This allows you to upload PDF documents, text documents, or videos. You can manage members, or you can change the setting. You can set global tags and other kinds of things. You can set which tab you want to start with, and so on. And finally, the analytics gives you all of the things you want to get from the salon. You're the only person who can access this, not the students who are part of your salon. So let's start with the most basic thing that you do in Salon. By the way, you can create a folder if you want to organize things. So I'm going to create a folder called Chapter 1. We'll add this Chapter 1 so I can put all the documents into Chapter 1 in the PDF documents. So this specific part is reserved for PDF documents. So what I'm going to do is to select a PDF document from my desktop. Let's select something here. So select the PDF document, upload the file, and give it a few seconds to do that, and give it a title here, and make sure you click to save the PDF. And once it's done, you can continue to set up tags, prompts, schedules, attend to list. Each document becomes its own kind of a communication space, and so you can do multiple things with that by step, or you can just go to the setup document in PDF Manager. Each document has what we call a document manager that allows you to do things. So the first thing you want to do is, if you're not editing the document anymore, you want to move the document to a salon. Right now it's not in a salon, so you can look at the list of salons you have and move the document to that salon. And then you can change your title. This can be done anytime. You can delete, you can create duplicates, you can create a tag like you want the students to use the tag question, so I can add that. You can delete this general tag if you like. You can add a prompt. This is more like a Q&A type of thing. So we can say, okay, well, that's the question, and you can ask a question here. Save that. That question will show up for you to answer. You can set up the individual work times and the group discussion times. This comes handy if you want to block the group discussion until the students have done their work. This allows you to give specific instructions about what to do with that document, the start date and the end date to show that in the attend to list. And then this gives you a way to share the document by sending it to students or placing this link on a course management system. So it gives you a lot of different options to do. And once you have done all of those things, you can go back. Now your document is available, and you can get the students to choose specific area, choose your tag, and make a comment. And the others can respond to these comments and so on. This gives you all the list of documents here. If you have trouble reading, this allows you to navigate through the document one page at a time. But if students want to print or read the document in one page, they can always click there and go to the print button. This allows you to go back to the Salon. Now I can show you how to add a text document. So let's add a text document here. So I'm going to start with a blank document. And I'm going to type some text. And you can do multiple things with this text, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can start putting an image into that text and so on. So be careful with the images because the image has to be the right size. If it's not, just delete and put a new image. The same as the other thing, you can just type here and save the document. Then go back and do the same setup that you did with the PDF documents. So again, you must move it to, if you're done with editing the document, if you're still editing the text document, you should not put this in a Salon. Just keep it as no Salon. But if you're done with the editing, you can place that in your Salon. And then you can do the same thing with the videos. So let me just go and add a video. So what I need to do is to maybe find some sort of a URL from the video. So let's just find something here. So I go here and find a URL from the YouTube. So you can pretty much take any YouTube videos and plug it here and find the video, and it'll find the video. You can do all the other things and say create the video. Now that video is in your Salon, so you can access that video in Salon. So right now you can see that I have added three things: a video, text document, and a PDF document. So the videos, now you can get your students to annotate the video at any specific point, type their own tag if there's no tag available. They can make it anonymous, finest work, and you can do that. And so the nice thing about this is, no matter where you are, when you click here, it'll jump to that. And then you can go into text documents. With the text documents, the nice thing is you can specifically pick a specific part of the text and make a comment. You can post it. There's your comment. When you click see context, it highlights where you selected. So that's pretty much it. And so this gives you an idea of what you can do with the Salon. When your students come, they will join the Salon. At the end of the semester, you can make a complete copy of the Salon. So all the work you did is going to be saved, and you can repeatedly use them in the future semesters, minus the uses and the annotations. Hope you enjoyed the video, and keep watching the other videos to understand a little bit more about how to use Salon for your flipped classes or other ways.